All right, we're going to do Module 3, Assignment 1, creating a Word document from a template. In Chapter 2 in the book, you can find this information as well. Chapter 2 is in Part 1, Create and Manage Documents. Okay. So, in the Backstage view, enter a search term for the kind of template that you might be interested in. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a new document from template. So these are our options here for templates. I can search templates. Oh, there we go. So say I wanted things that related to animals, for example. So the assignment here is to, in Backstage View, enter a search term for the kind of template you might be interested in. In class, we specifically looked at resume templates, but you could do either for this. So select a template by double-clicking on it. So in order to do that, I would click here, and it would create it. So 3D Word Science Robot, the Mars rover. Okay, so now I have this template here that I can use, add any information that you would like to complete the template, give it a file, an appropriate name, including your last name, and save and upload or share on Google 365 or Office 365. So the other way, so we're going to do new document from template here. And since we are going to be creating resumes, we're going to start by searching resume. You can look through the templates available to you and make a selection that, you like from these. It's really a personal choice. Kind of like this. So I'm going to create it. I'm going to save it as my resume for Module 3. So this is Assignment 1. Document. Module 3, Assignment 1. I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to submit it on Canvas for upload. Okay.